InVade Mop Clean features the biopower of InVade Bio Cleaner in a convenient, easy-to-use, pre-measured 4-ounce packets of an all-in-one cleaner with microbes, citrus oil, and cleaners. Mop Clean eliminates organic buildup and odors at the source through daily mopping and hard surface cleaning. It consumes organic matter in cracks and crevices in floor tiles, baseboards, and drains. You only need to mix in 1 packet per the typical 3 to 4 gallon mop bucket. It's as easy as that. Mop Clean packets come in a convenient 32 packet dispenser box for an entire month's supply. Another great add-on sales opportunity: sell your commercial accounts a box or 2 of Mop Clean and instruct them to mop every day with it in between your scheduled service visits. Regular use will result in a significant improvement in overall cleanliness. InVade Bio Bullets are solid blocks containing high concentrations of powerful microbes that dissolve slowly, releasing microbes as liquids run over them. They're ideal for constant treatment in a specific area without the need for dosing equipment or a person having to apply the treatment regularly. There are 4 sizes of Bio Bullets for various types of applications: a 50-gram beverage tray bullet, a 100-gram mini bullet, a 1-pound bullet, and also a large 5-pound bullet. The 50-gram beverage tray bullet can be placed in soda fountain drip trays or beer tap drip trays. You can hang 100-gram mini bullets inside floor drains, place them in collection drains, or they make great urinal pucks. You can also place these smaller Bio Bullets in condensation pans underneath ice machines, air conditioning, or refrigeration units. Use them anywhere there is a chronic moisture issue and buildup of organic matter and odor. The 1-pound bullets are ideal for small grease traps or collection drains. You can also attach one to the grate of a large floor drain and let it hang down to catch dripping liquid, as long as it doesn't block the drain. The 5-pound bullet is designed for larger grease traps, 500 gallons and up, to reduce pump outs and odors. The bacteria contained in the Bio Bullets will reduce sludge, fats, oils, and grease buildup, as well as other food-based wastes.